Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Likee app. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to have Likee app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to App Store and download it from there. And if you are using Android device, just go to Play Store and install it from there. So here I have already downloaded the Likee app. Just click on this. So to unfollow an account or to unfollow someone, make sure you are already following that account. So here, go to your profile, and here I am following 7 accounts, which is shown in this icon. So click on this, and these are the people I have followed. So just click on one account. So I'm going to click on this and tab it here in the icon. So here you can see add start, friend, or unfollow. So click on unfollow. So here comes follow. So in this way, you can unfollow someone in Likee app. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.